Yo, people, you don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, I come to talk facts, you see it. Yeah, man. We come to talk about something in a dancehall car. We realize, them I use a one artist for judge the whole other dancehall artists, them work with them been putting in over the years. Right? Them want to put every man career around this man here. People are say, yo, from cartel come, man, I start the work, man, I start do this, man, I start do that. You understand? Me don't know how comes. If I saw the man them in a dance, I love one man for pre, one man for put out work and ray. Because this is the thing. Vybzkartel forward out. Start to finish in prime time now. I do him shows and all of them look something there. You understand? The other artists them do them shows already all over the world. Been done that for 13 years. You know more show them could I do. You know more show them I do. So cartel forward out now. And I do film thing, film time. When never did I do film shows and every little thing. Then them I try to turn it around now and I say, yo, artists never do this and artists never do that. But the thing is that you not try highlight one man. Then you not go say the other artists them not do nothing and Vybzkartel show them up and man start to work out through cartel forward and one bag or something. That now make no sense. You understand? Because at the end of the day, cartel come out. When I really hear not talk nothing about really musically, you know. When you come out, when you talk about yo man buy house, yo man buy car, yo man in a club, I give a liquor, yo man I unite, yo man I do this. Nothing have to do with music. So I kind of realize the Gaza fan them, one the other is artists them, if you do what cartel I do. You understand? Because look here, at 13 years they don't see him. So that's why we cartel do buy these things when I have to do with music or whatsoever, where I do or carry out in kids them. That's a norm. But the thing is that what make them feel away, you know, is because the other artists them not to show them private like how cartel do it. But cartel is a different man. Cartel love the media, so I go always post things and then the media go run with it. You understand? Over the years a lot of dancehall artists keep them thing private because them don't want them thing going at the media and one bag of thing. Vybzkartel is a different person. Him always one day in the media, it no matter where him do. If him depend on the plane, yeah, if him in him house I eat breakfast, as him tell you, him life is like an open book. Him open the book to the space so people could have look on it. It's like watching a reality movie. You understand? But true, them only highlight him, it make it seem like say the other artists and we are putting them work over the years. Can remember, you know, 5 years, 6 years ago, you know.
May I represent for one media fox. Media fox. Media fox, how the latest news them lock. Media fox, trending, nah stop. Media fox, how the latest report them.
Nobody never talk about this. Yo, cartel, ray, artists them now do this and ray. You understand? They must say one thing, yo, solo Barclays, back to back. Man them say, solo Barclays, back to back. So I say, alright, nothing wrong with that. 20 years in the go in the US, 13 years him in a prison. The industry love him, so that's why I'm gonna release songs. You understand? Get him award and everything. See him get an easier run when him in a prison. Now him come out now, them not too focus on the music, you know. Them a focus on what him a do in a life, in private life. Cause in private life not private. It out there. So it's like them know say right now if cartel not do it. If cartel just keep him life private, it would be a different energy. You understand? Because them I like cartel so much to hear what him a do. Them feel say the other artists them fear watch what him a do and work off of that. Because over the years artists them put in work, you know. But because in them time there a lot of artists do them thing. You see me? Them not really show them life and all of them look something there. But this is the thing. If you have one something in a bunch and that man you do something different, see, them are going to try if you compare with other artists and what's because me no see the cartel do what the man them not really do. See? Otherwise on him sell out him shows them. But we all know like cartel sold out his shows. Because sometimes I wonder if cartel really there, did they at jail. And that I wonder because the way how the man them go on. I say, bro, this is just for your time. Obviously, it's going to be a little cartel moment. Remember, say the other artists, them demands kind of balance right now. Cartel one high. You understand? Because him never seen in the space for how long. You understand? You know that work, but you not try to compare artists with them not see for 13 years with the artists with them see for 13 years. Them don't know that the artists already. Them don't see what that the artists they do. Them don't see what the other artists them do. But because you know highlight the money alone, which the man just a sold out shows. Zine? The man just a do him thing, live him life and every little thing. But now highlight it as some inordinary thing. Like, I say, yo, Jaja. Bro, everything we are going with Cartel right now, it's expected. You see, because Cartel a big artist. So, things are going to happen. Zine? But me know say him put him life out there so people can repost it. And the controversy thing still with him. You see me? We can say that, say, yo, we have the controversy. You see it? But when it comes to performance, that not really did it. Other artists can rock the crowd like him. Because if you realize, when him doing little shows, them and every little thing, and the whole dancer behind him, I feel carry all of them for kind of balance theme thing. You see me? Because on a stage, him not really dominate like that. We all know that. You understand? So my time I hear the man them, I hear the sheeps them. Because, you know, I turn dancehall into this love and hip-hop thing, you know. And that I realize. You know, I say, yo, make them sell out Barclays. Yo, make them do this, make them do that. Like, we don't want the youth them to go flap and we never know say one venue could I use. So wait, so no bigger venue than Barclays, me not understand because we never know say a venue where keep events is a standard for music. No,
I
like,
need your subscribe.
It's a couple like say when somebody win Grammy. We never know say Barclays a play a Grammy role. A lot of shows keeping a Barclays where Jamaican artists go on every little thing. Zine? So, all of this chit chat, it don't make no sense. Because we all know why Cartel sold out Barclays back to back. And because them not see him. And him never did that do it before. But the thing is that, we not gonna get up and say, the other artists them, I do work now because Cartel come a road. Everybody a try. That's cap. That's cap. Because years back then, the artists them did a put in the same work. The same work them the artists them are put in. But you know why? Una think say when vybzkartel come a road, the artists them are put in work is because back then una never pay attention to the artists them and what them a do. But through Cartel come a road now, what una try do? Una try if you see which artists a do something now. If you say yo, through Cartel come a road, very. But back then the youth them a do the same thing. So una try use Cartel to critique the artists them work and the amount of work what them a put in. Which the artists them a do them thing long time. It's just that in that space, nobody never really pre a specific artist like that. We say, yo, him a put in work, but the artists them a put in work. But through Cartel come a road now, una try if you use Cartel if you try see who a put in the most work or who never da put in the work. You understand? Because una highlight one man alone and bring down other artists. You see me? But una bring down other artists when I make no sense. Because the artists them they are road for years. Cartel never they are road for years. And we know say the industry endorse Cartel. Cartel have him links them and everything for promote him thing. You understand? A lot of dancehall artists don't have that. We not going like say Cartel and do it by himself. He's not. He's not. You see? Because remember say when him there prison, you know, a lot of artists out the road that endorse him thing. See? I do collab with him and all of them look something there. At the end of the day, they might get a benefit and he might get a benefit. You see it? So, and him alone and do it. He might get him international link ups, him link and everything. He might get the most endorsement than any other artist in Jamaica right now. Press release, press run, everything he might get. So, most evidently, he might go do better than what the artists they might do right now when it comes to certain things because he have the power and he have the backative and everything. You know see that? So, when I use, it's like this. When I use a normal man, we are doing thing to buy a car and then I go say, yo, leeching have everything in your bank, everything you have, all the assets to buy a car. But when I try to compare, say, yo, where will Cartel do this? A lot of artists in the dance don't have them links and everything where Cartel have. You don't know that already. He have big endorsement, he have big link, Busta Rhyme, he have Drake them, the whole of them highlight him. I'm not going like say him alone and the other artists them will bow back to him, them did highlight him when him did a road. When him did a prison. You understand? Them see him when I highlight him. You notice when him go perform on a show, them see him man come on the stage. That's why when him stay in a prison and make them collab with him and everything. Zine? So when him father run now, them can't give him the strength because they're not him alone do it. Because if him did their prison and do him thing and body never really end that certain look of energy wouldn't push. You understand? But we know the thing set already. Yes, so you know what is the thing? Why Kartel is more, we call it, presence are more effective than the other artists them is that the other artists them do them own a thing. You understand? Kartel have artists that endorse him where them bring the Gaza wave and every little thing. The other artists them do them own a thing, have them own a energy. Kartel build a force when him in a prison. The artists them a collab with him. That's going to be a soul, what they call it, a so-called Gaza artist. You understand? So this is the thing. He has the most artists who endorse him. So he might have the power over any other artist. You understand? And when you have a lot of endorsement, you kind of make it powerful.
I need you to subscribe.
But when I use the endorsement and the powers and the links we Kartel have to make it seems like the artists them now do nothing. But when you check it, the artists them not have the links and endorsement and the power we Kartel have. So when you look on that, that can't add up. You can't match up. You understand? It's like you have a poor man and he might buy one fridge. See? And he might pay down on it. And then when you look and say a money man come and the man just buy the fridge cash. You see it? When you know say alright, this man is rich, he have money. So he can buy it cash. So that be same like how Kartel have the artists them endorse him, both locally and internationally. Most evidently, him thing go more powerful for marketing thing and go more powerful over any other artist. Remember say man lock up in a prison, you know. And how much artists they road that carry him thing, all of them not their road. Remember, you know? Them artists here now have a choice and them could have, if them ever stop, do what them have to do. Maybe them have blackball him or, but say to say no artist never endorse him or nothing. You understand? He might do him thing independently. Would that be a different? Say Busta Rhymes, nobody not highlight him. Would that be a different thing? You understand? So, you can't use the Kartel have over every other artist. I try use it to bring down the other artists so them now do nothing real. When the artists them did the road, I do them thing. Them did I do them thing, but it's just that we never did a highlight them, we never did a take out certain things. And when Kartel come a road now, and I get feel moment, we I use that to say the other artists them now do nothing. You understand? Like, we never say Kartel, I don't think, do no big performance, no big place back then. He never did that do it. So, the powers of the artists them, over the years we are pumping things, Spice, the whole of them, the Gaza Sensation, Overseas, Busta Rhymes, everything, all of them. When him father wrote, all of them will do interview, call him name in an interview and say, yo, big up this, big up that. Enough dancehall artists now have.
I need you to subscribe.
You understand? But you don't try use what Kartel do. If you say the artists them now do nothing. You see it? Because the artists them been doing them work, putting them work, and do them shows. But because we only just a highlight one thing where a man do. Because back then we never highlight now. The lifestyle thing, no man a buy car, no man a buy house, no man a do this, no man a do that, you know. We never did a highlight, nothing like that. For sure, yo, when Kartel come a road and I do it now make it seem like a some big thing. Yo, man a buy this and I buy people, right? Car. None of them people out there, them licky, and Kartel can buy them liquor and buy them this. They will prep you up, so you go. If you go up on one ends and you buy man them some liquor and rare, you turn them God. You see me? You turn them God. So when Kartel do what I do and make everybody feel nice and rare, evidently everybody will say, yo, you are the man, because you might do something. When Kartel come out and just stick to himself and no pay nobody no mind or rare, and no, that's the difference. You understand? And because the social media highlight just one thing, it make it seems like the other artists them now do nothing. You understand? Because it's so over-present in the media where so many times I say, yo, all them things we are posting now make no sense to the guys. I never see them a post none of this. And when the artists them did that do it back then, them never did a post where them did that do. You understand? And we know. Remember say Kartel thing and mostly have a controversy, you know. And him put him life out there. Maybe if other artists them did that do it, which putting out your life out there and that have nothing to do with your musical career. You understand? When they have the big international artists like Rihanna and Ray, them now put out everything and put out in them life, but they might have solo shows, they might get the support and Ray same way. It's not about live present. The thing is that Kartel do it so overpowered, they might put everything out there. So the people, remember the typical people, them love people business, you know. You understand? Love people business. And you don't know him having sheep them. So
I
anything what
need
happen,
you
them a run with it.
subscribe.
You see it? Because them don't really have no brain. Because something with them highlight, me I tell us about the time, it not make no sense. You see me? Yeah, it not make no sense. The thing with them highlight. Them highlight some norms. Somebody carrying kids. If you go buy them stuff. Or carry them go eat. Or with family or whatever. Artists them been doing that. You see me? So, when the artists them go to one party and have their entourage around them and buy them beer, liquor and beer, I see them thing too. See like when buy other people liquor, it's just that them not in an entourage. You understand? And we don't know the little buckle thing them we are buying, we ended up buying at the club. A promotional money do that. Theme party in Freedom Street show, so some of the thing wanna highlight, me I say yo, Jaja. Cause remember you know, nothing lasts forever. You understand? Yeah, nothing lasts forever, so the truth I got forward out and show. You see what I'm trying to say? I just can't tell time now and I'm going to do him thing. Cause 13 years is a long years, 20 years is a long years where it'll take a little while. You see it? But things are go back to normal, that's how it go. You see it? But people, when they don't know, you know, media facts now, yeah man, I come to talk facts man, yeah man. They got the people, you don't know, like, share, subscribe, yeah man. That is it.